Welcome to the AI Blockchain Summit in Malta. I'm Jane King. With me is Michael Herman, who is, I'm going to get this right, self-sovereign blockchain architect. So
I'm pleased to be here.
Yeah, it's great to talk to you, and we have mutual friends in the industry. So tell me, your title is very interesting, self-sovereign blockchain architect. So how did you come up with that title?
Well, the easiest way to think of it is I work for myself. I'm accountable to myself. I'm not accountable to any clients. I'm not accountable to any employer. I'm at a stage in my life where I can afford to do that.
Awesome. Okay. Well, and good for you, because it's everybody's dream, I think. So, now you sent me a white paper, and I did take a look at some of it. It was very interesting. The Trusted Digital Web. So that is your project.
Yes.
And it sounds ideal, like what we all want the web to be. So, trustworthy and secure. Tell me about what your project is.
So there's sort of three elements. One of the things that's very much missing on the World Wide Web today is the concept of trusted digital identity. We all have identities. We all provide our email and our password to Facebook and to all these different companies, but it's not a self-sovereign identity. It's not something we own and control. So that's the first sort of corner of the triangle. The second corner we already have, and that's decentralized currency. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum to enable payments. The third point of the triangle on the trusted digital web is being able to enact business processes, arbitrary, everyday business processes in a decentralized, trusted way. And if we have those three pieces, people and organizations represented by digital identity, we've got the currency to enable payments, then the last piece of the pie, if you will, is being able to enable arbitrary business processes in a very trustful way.
Okay, so this could be, the web has already been life-changing,
right.
But there's a lot of problems with it.
Yeah.
There's hacks and fake news and fake videos and all kinds of untrustworthy things going on.
Right. So
this helps alleviate some of those problems.
Yeah, and I could probably talk for days about the trusted digital web, but just on the points that you made, we're extending digital identity not only for people and organizations, which is the most common topic or the most common purview, but extending digital identity to any tangible asset. So even web pages can have verifiable, digitally signed digital identity so that for example, is that a trusted web page? At least you'll know the source of it, even if you don't believe what it says.
That's right. Well, and another point you made in the white paper is how everything's controlled by corporations.
Yes.
How much shopping do we do on Amazon and Facebook and even banking and all of that. Right. So it's really, the web didn't democratize as much as I think people thought it might.
Yes, and that's the sort of the whole mantra on which blockchain was originally founded, right? Is getting away from these centralized institutions and disintermediation and those sorts of things. So this is about creating, the trusted digital web is about creating frictionless commerce. And part of that is eliminating a lot of these central entities that slow the world down today.
Okay, so final question. Explain to me when we might actually see this product in operation. Where are you you've written a white paper.
Right.
Are you trying to get funding?
So there is operational software, there's early software that's running. But kind of like, the internet, that global communications platform, and then the World Wide Web that runs on top of it, it's going to take decades. The internet is about 60 years old. The World Wide Web is about 30 years old. So this isn't an overnight thing. This is going to be several years and decades to be fully realized.
Well, the next generation will thank you, because we have a bit of a mess, even though as wonderful as it is too. So,
well, it's all an enabler for what I'm trying to do. I'm leveraging a lot of existing internet technologies. If cryptocurrency hadn't made blockchain so popular, we wouldn't know anything about blockchain. So we stand on the shoulders of giants.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you so much, Michael, for coming by.
Thank you, Jay.
Yes, and thank you as well. We'll be back.